Hey, how's it going? John Dorsey, work with JohnD.net, and in this video, I want to show you how to take your FutureNet earnings and use that money to pay for advertising packages on FutureAdPro. So stay tuned. John Dorsey, work with JohnD.net. I want you tired of being overwhelmed. All right, so welcome back. Like I said in the intro, I'm going to show you how to take money that you earn on FutureNet, the social media platform FutureNet, and use that money to buy advertising packages on the FutureNet advertising platform. As you know, that FutureNet is a business-oriented social media site, so it allows you to not only make money on the FutureNet or social media side, you also can advertise your business on the advertising platform program side. And you do that through advertising packages. So one of the hurdles of getting started with participating in the advertising package revenue sharing program is that people don't necessarily have the money to put into the advertising packages, or vice versa. They have advertising packages, but they don't have the money to upgrade on the social media side. But I'm going to show you how to, like I said in the intro, how to use that money that you make on FutureNet on the social media side, which is what you see on your screen now, and use that to buy advertising packages. So what you want to do is log into FutureNet, the social media side, and go down to your back office. And then once that loads, you want to go into the matrix. Let me close this ad. Or the FutureNet business, the FutureNet matrix, Fringe Tree rewards matrix program. If you're part of FutureNet, you pretty much know what I'm talking about. So you click on that, and I'm on the road right now, so my internet connection is moving slow. And then you can pretty much click on wherever you're upgraded at. You know, if you just had a $10 package, it doesn't matter which one you click on, as long as you're already upgraded in it. So let's just click on the first one. And then go to commissions, or mouse over commissions. You don't have to click on it, and then go down to sign up keys. All right, so I'm gonna pull out. As you see, I already have. Where is that? I got $38 right now. I've earned today so far on the FutureAdPro side. So I'm only going to pull out $62. 60, yeah. Because I'm gonna get 2 ad packs. So I'm gonna pull out 62. Well, I'm trying to think if you can do that. 62. So you scroll down, and let's say you just want to pull out $10. See, that's already highlighted. Or you can click on it. You can pull out 25, 50, 100, 50, 500, 100, up to 1,000, 35, 85, 185. You get the idea. Or you can type in whatever value you want to take out. You type that in on this side, and select your payment option. Oh, I can't even pull that out. I don't have all that available yet. So actually, I'm just going to pull out. Yeah, I'm just going to pull out 50 for now. Because when you earn commissions on the FutureNet side, it takes about a week, 2 weeks for those commissions to get credited to, or for those commissions to be available to use, to spend. Because you see, it says I had 72. But I only have, what was it, 67, not 60, 50, whatever it was, to spend. So let's just make it, let's just go with the 50. Delete that. Now select payment option. Use my FutureNet account. You see I got 53 in there. Type in your password. and then use your authenticator app to type in the code 66. All right. And as you see, I have the code now. So you take this code, or whatever code you get, not this specific code, because once I use this code is no longer valid. But you'll get created a code, and you take that code and go over to FutureAdPro, click on advertising, click on buy a new $50 ad pack, or if you just want to buy a $10 one, $10 ad pack, whatever you want to buy. Go to buy more ad packs, click 1 for the 50, and then scroll all the way down. It says FutureNet codes. Paste your code in, click buy, and payment successful. That's it. It's as easy as that. It's as simple and as easy as that. It doesn't show up. It takes about a minute or two to show up on this side. But as you saw, the payment was successful. It did go through. Just refresh it again. But yeah, that's pretty much how it's done. So that way you don't have to necessarily come out of your pockets every time you want to buy an ad pack, or if you want to take your FutureAdPro money and upgrade on the Friends Tree side, you don't have to necessarily come out of your pockets for that either. You can just use a code on the FutureAdPro and share it on the FutureNet side, or use the code from the FutureNet side and share on the FutureAdPro side. So if you got some value out of this video, like it, share it. If you want to team up with me, see how I've been able to get leads and get sign-ups into FutureNet, click the link below this video. It will show the exact system I use to get leads, get sign-ups, and sales on FutureNet, or any business. It doesn't have to be just FutureNet. It could be any business you're part of. I can show you what I'm doing to get leads, sales, and sign-ups. If you got some value out of this video, like it, share it. Subscribe to my channel. Click the link below this video to team up with me, and I'll talk to you again soon.